Hello friends, in environmental policies and practices, in this video we discuss on ozone layer depletion. First of all, what is ozone layer and where they are located into the atmosphere? The ozone layer is a region in the Earth's stratosphere that contains high concentration of ozone and protect the Earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Generally, the ozone layer is found in the lower portion of the Earth atmosphere. It has the potential to absorb about 97 to 99% of harmful ultraviolet radiations that are coming from sun and that can be a damage life they are present on earth. So when the ozone layer is absent in the atmosphere, that time the large number of peoples they are suffer by ultraviolet radiations and they cause the large number of the diseases related to skin and make weak their immune system by the direct penetration of the harmful ultraviolet radiation that they can emit from a sun. So here the location where the ozone they are present in atmosphere. In this figure, in between a troposphere and the stratosphere, there are given to the localization of the ozone layer. So simply, ozone in atmosphere they are found in between two layers, that is troposphere and the stratosphere. And this layer that there will be ozone layer those located, and this layer is called as a stratosphere. The ozone is mainly found at the lower portion of stratosphere. Those will be seen in a picture, and it can be given to high concentration of ozone, that is O3. First of all, the ozone layer in atmosphere, those they will be discovered by Charles Fabry and Henry Besant in 1913. Thus, the ozone plays a key role in the temperature structure of the Earth atmosphere. That means they protect Earth from warmer by the presence of ozone into the atmosphere. Damage of the ozone layer will naturally mean the entry of harmful rays into the atmosphere ultimately. Here, the damage or the alteration of ozone layer are nothing but the depletion of ozone layer. The ozone layer depletion is nothing but the gradual thinning of the Earth ozone layer in the upper atmosphere caused due to the release of chemical compounds, those containing gaseous like bromine or the chlorine, those liberated from the large number of industries and other human activities, and they given to the thinning of ozone layer. Just see the picture. In this picture, the whole those thinning the layer of ozone they given. So that time from the sun rays or the sun, the radiation they are directly comes onto the earth. But where the larger or the much more ozone layer are present, that those will be a penetrate or reflect the particular solar radiations. Simply, ozone layer depletion is the thinning of the ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. Here, ozone depleting substances, those are nothing but those depleting or the thinning the layer of an ozone into the atmosphere are nothing but ozone depleting substances, and these substances are chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFCs, number of halons, carbon tetrachloride, hydrofluorocarbons that are majorly responsible for to deflation of ozone layer. Here we just see which one are the different ozone depleting substances and their sources. The first one are the ozone depleting substance are nothing but a chlorofluorocarbon. This chlorofluorocarbon majorly eliminated by the large number of appliances. Those will be used by human being are nothing but a refrigerator and the air conditioners. Second one, the halogens, they are majorly eliminated from the fire extinguisher. Carbon tetrachloride also liberate from fire extinguishers and the number of solvents they are used by the different purposes by a human being. Methyl chloroform and the hydrofluorocarbons, they are liberated by the aerosols, solvent cleaning agents and some of the fire extinguishers. Now the ozone layer depleting by a different sources, those will be already seen. So the causes of these ozone layer deflations are, in which the first substance are nothing but the chlorofluorocarbon. They are majorly given or the main cause to the ozone layer deflation, and those they are liberated from the appliances such as the refrigerator, air conditioners, etc. etc. Then sometimes the unregulated rocket launching, they are also eliminate the number of the gases or the substance are nothing but a chlorofluorocarbon. The nitrogen compounds like nitrogen dioxide or the nitrogen monoxides one are also highly responsible for to the ozone layer deflation. The certain natural processes, those will be a sunspot and the stratospheric winds, they are also may leads to the deflation of ozone layer. Certain times the volcanic eruptions, they are also responsible for to the ozone layer depletion because the chlorofluorocarbon, those they are eliminating by the volcanic eruptions. So all the sources and the causes they are given from the environment by causing to the ozone layer deflation, and they gives a major impact on to the environment in which the human, animal as well as also the number of aquatic ecosystems. So first of all, we see the effect on human health. Directly penetration of solar radiations or the sun rays, they are majorly harmful to the skin of the human being. So they may lead the large number of diseases related to the skin as like cancer, sunburns, as well as also the cataract is also caused by the ozone deflation. Sometimes the cell aging and the weakened immune system, they are also majorly given impact by the ozone layer deflation. As like to human being or the human health, they are also affect the animals one because the direct exposure of ultraviolet radiation, they leads to effect on skin and the eye cancer is caused particularly in animals one. Then the ozone layer deflation, they are also given impact on the environment one because the strong ultraviolet radiations, they leads to minimal growth of a plant, affect flowering and the photosynthesis one. And ultimately the ecosystem or the food chain or the food web, they will be altered and given to impact onto the ecosystem or the environment one. The ozone layer deflation, they also give an impact on the effect onto the aquatic ecosystem or the aquatic life one. Majorly effect given on the marine life. The planktons are majorly destroyed by the directly exposure of ultraviolet radiations by the sun rays one. So all these effect and the impact, they are given on a human, animal, environment as well as also the aquatic life. So which one are the different solutions to protect the ozone layer, that means to avoid the ozone deflation one? In which the first one, avoid using of the pesticides one. The natural method should be implemented or the applying by a farmers as compared to use of the chemicals one. So the reduce the use of chemical, they are also important for to minimizing the impact on ozone layer depletion. Then second thing, the major greenhouse effect or the greenhouse gas effect given to the alteration of the ozone layer as well as also the environment one. So minimize the use of vehicle, that means the large number of greenhouse gases, they are also given majorly leads to a global warming, as well as also this a global warming, they are impact given to the ozone layer depletion. Therefore the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible, so we protect our ozone layer. Then use eco-friendly cleaning products, because some of the cleaning products or the cleanizing agents, they are majorly using the chlorine and the bromine, and such a chemicals, they are find out to the atmosphere and they gives effect on to the ozone layer and depleting them. Then after, use of nitrous oxide should be a prohibited one, because this nitrous oxide, they are also majorly given a causing effect onto the ozone layer one. So the government should take action and prohibit the use of harmful nitrous oxide that is adversely affecting the ozone layer one. And people should be made aware of a harmful effect of a nitrous oxide and the products, so we minimizing the deflation of ozone layer by the as well as also protecting our environment. So in this entire topic we just see about what is ozone and the ozone layer depletion. So here the ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere. Then the damage of ozone layer will be a naturally mean entry of harmful rays into the atmosphere and given to impact on the environment. Chlorofluorocarbon, it is the main cause given to ozone layer depletion, and this chlorofluorocarbon is a majorly eliminated or the emit by those appliances they are used a human being. Ozone depleting substances are the substances such as those they are responsible for are depleting ozone layer one. And in this video we just also see about which one are the different causes, effect and solutions of ozone layer depletion. Now here the time for the some questions they are asked in your exam. So for a definition, ozone layer depletion, then ozone depleting substances, and same one asking for to the write short note on ozone layer depletion and effect of ozone depletion. Now there are different multiple choice questions. Just see the first one. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of ... All of you know about the ozone layer is majorly found the lower portion of a stratosphere. The answer is a stratosphere, not thermosphere and earth. Here answer is given. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of stratosphere. Then second is ... are the main cause of ozone layer depletion. There are some gases or the greenhouse gases in which a majorly a chlorofluorocarbon is given a main cause to the ozone layer depletion. The answer is chlorofluorocarbon. And the last one multiple choice question is direct exposure to ... leads to skin and eye cancer in animals are nothing but the ultraviolet radiation, because the ultraviolet radiation they are given emerging from the solar radiation, they are directly exposed to the human health or the skin and they leads to given to a skin cancer or the eye cancer one. So all of you well known about ozone layer depletion